Is lawn mowing, weed whacking, and leaf blowing a skill? Check. Is operating a miter saw and a drill a skill? Chickadee check and check. Is Pokemon walking a skill? Some may say no, but I say check. Determining what is or isn't a skill can be hard. Not anymore with New Employee Success by FNG Training on Udemy.com. Not only will you learn how to determine what is or isn't a skill, you will learn how to evaluate your own value, the type of value companies are looking for. Plus, you'll learn self-help tips to apply to your daily life, like the 5 S's and how to eliminate 7 different kinds of waste. Go to Udemy.com and search for New Employee Success by FNG Training, and let's get started together.